and welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37. Let's see this body video. First compare the body features. Both two phones come with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. Galaxy A57 comes with 6.7 inches Super AMOLED Plus display, and the Galaxy A37 comes with 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display. Hardware features. Both two phones are powered by the Exynos chipset. Camera features. Let's compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. Both phones include 5G connectivity, 3 speakers, Bluetooth 6 and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.